Smells good. This is the Chanel sauce, which means I'm gonna drink it Chanel. There's 3 different papaya sauces. Alright, they're gonna try and see which one tastes better. What they think tastes better.
I like this one better.
I like that one better too.
Alright, what's up YouTube? Today I'm gonna do another food review. I'm reviewing a couple of different brands. Oops. This is the papaya right here. And I got equal amounts of veggies to add to it. I got half a lime, half a tomato, and 8 peppers. Same product, 3 different brands. Papaya sauces. Number 1 is Yum papaya sauce. Number 2 is Chanel sauce. I've already used it. And this one, number 3, is from Papaya and Ving from Oklahoma. I'll link to all of these products in my description below, so check them out. So let's take a look at these real quick. This one, Papaya and Ving from Oklahoma, is real thick. And it looks like it's got peanuts in there. So I like that already. I haven't actually tried this yet. Actually, I haven't tried any of these. I don't really eat really spicy stuff if I'm going to work. And I've been working 7 days a week, so I haven't really ate papaya at home in a long time. Let's check this out. I'll open this so you guys can see. Smells pretty good. It's got chunks of peanuts, tamarind. Looks like it's got baby crabs in here too. That's a plus. Smells good. It's making my mouth watery already. Next one here is the Chanel sauce. Let's check it out real quick. Okay, this one's a little bit more liquidy, but it's really dark. I like my papaya dark also. It's got a piece of papaya stuck to the bottom. It was on my cutting board. So this one is just pretty much all liquid. I don't want to tilt it too much, so in case I spill it. Smells good. This is the Chanel sauce, which means I'm gonna drink it Chanel. No, just kidding. Alright, this is the Yum papaya sauce. It's kind of thick. This is one. It's kind of a mixture between these two, thickness wise. It's not as liquidy as this one, but it's not as thick as this one either. You can see it's also got peanuts in here and chunks of something also. I can't tell. So this one here, a Yum papaya sauce. I just want to give you guys a shout out for fixing my order. I ordered a package from Yum papaya sauce. A week and a half later, I still didn't see it, so I messaged them, told them I hadn't received it yet, and for them to give me a tracking number. So they went ahead and sent me another package right away. I got it within 2 days. So it's definitely got peanuts. So I can't really tilt it because it's kind of full. It's got a big chunk of a crab right here. That's a piece of a crab. Papaya and ring towel, and it's got crab in it too. It's also got big chunks as well. I'm gonna do all 3 of these with the same amount of veggies and peppers, and then I'm gonna come and try them out. So I'm done now. So I'm gonna try these. Take a look at these first. This is the Dashinow sauce. It's not quite as dark as the liquid was in the container. I can't really taste anything. Tastes kind of plain to me and sweet. I don't put sugar in my papaya, so the sauce is pretty sweet and kind of watery and kind of plain. Alright, we're gonna try this one now. This is Papaya and Vang Tao from Oklahoma. Their sauce. They don't have a name for the brand yet. Let's take a look at it. It's also not as dark as it was in the container. But you can see it's got more chunks in it than the Dashinow sauce, and it's a lot thicker. Like this right here is part of a crab. I'm using big ass bowls because I don't have no more bowls. Let's try this. Try one more. It's definitely got more flavor, but it has a strong tamarind taste to it, which isn't bad. And it's not as watery, so I like this one a little bit more. It's also sweet like the other one too. Alright, now we're gonna try the Yum Yum papaya sauce. You can see right here. Like the other two, it doesn't look quite as dark as it did in the container. It's also got bits of crab in here too. It's not as thick as Papaya's papaya sauce, but it is thicker than the Chanel sauce. Let's try this. That one's a lot spicier for some reason. Probably had a really spicy pepper in there. But it tastes okay. It's a little bit sweet, but it's not as sweet as the other two. The tamarind tastes not quite as strong as Papaya's papaya sauce. The texture is kind of watery, but it still tastes okay. So this is Papaya's papaya sauce. This is a Yum Yum papaya sauce. And this is a Dashinow sauce. Oh, that's so spicy. Okay, so I've had to choose between these three. If I had to choose one, I probably wouldn't choose the Dashinow sauce. It's a little bit watery, and the texture and the flavor is not all there. Only thing I could really taste was the sugar. It'll probably be between the Papaya's papaya sauce and Yum Yum papaya sauce. I would probably go with Panier's papaya sauce just because of the texture and the extra crab in there. It's got a whole lot of crab and a whole lot of other chunks of stuff in there, which makes it really good. I don't eat crab, but it adds flavor to it. The Yum Yum papaya sauce is good too, and I do like it because it's not as sweet as this other one. So it's all pretty much just on personal preference. I'm going to link all three of them in the description below so you guys can check them out. The Chanel sauce, Yum Yum sauce, and Panier's papaya sauce, which she doesn't have a brand for her papaya sauce yet. When you do, let me know. I can change the description below. Hope you guys like this video. Hit the subscribe button and comment below what you think or which one is your favorite papaya sauce. Thanks for watching. Alright, they're gonna try and see which one tastes better. Or what they think tastes better.
I like this one better.
Like that one? That is the Yum Yum sauce.
This one's too thick. The brown stuff not kind of thick. I like that one better too.
Both of them like the Yum Yum sauce better. I like this one better.
This one's too sour.
This one.
I don't like sour.
So it just depends on personal preference how you like your papaya.